I would like to say that these sessions has lot of impact on me, and Acharya is just amazing. Whatever queries you have or any doubts you have, you can feel free to ask him anytime. He will definitely guide you and help you the best way he can. So I must say, anyone who is going to join this session would definitely learn lot of things which we don't know, and and how much water you need to take, what fruits you can have or what things you can not have, what kind of music you can listen. My experience was really good. Yes, I have done a right choice of attending Pradeep Acharya classes. If you are also looking for someone who can guide you and help you during your first pregnancy or your multiple pregnancy, so definitely Pradipachar Garbha Sanskar classes will gonna help you. Thank you all.